Sahu, Dr. Lipika Maharana, Dr. Subhranshu Shekhar Panda, Dr. Vinay Mudgal, Principal Dr. VVR Murthy, Secretary Shri Kishan Chandrakrawal, Treasurer Kailash Chandrakrawal and Treasurer again Kailash Agrawal ji, Play School in charge Bishan Lal Agrawal ji, Hostel in charge Shri Binod Agrawal ji, Immediate Past Chairman Pyarelal Jangra ji, Founder Chairman Devanand ji, and Executive Members, dedicated staff, dear students and honored parents. So very good evening to all of you, and thank you for welcoming me so warmly to your beautiful school on this significant occasion of your 30th annual day celebration. It's truly a privilege to be here amongst the future of our community, the educators who guide them and the parents who support them. Firstly, I'd like to commend the management, principal and the entire staff for their relentless dedication. The environment you have created here not only nurtures academic excellence, but also fosters the holistic development of these little minds. Your efforts in shaping this adaptable, thoughtful, and ethical individuals are truly commendable. Dear parents, your roles cannot be overstated. Your commitment, involvement, and sacrifice you plays an integral part in your children's education and character building. This partnership between you and the school is vital for nurturing the leaders of tomorrow. And you, dear students, today is a celebration of your achievements. Each one of you has shown commitment, whether in academics, sports, arts, or community service. You are at the beginning of a journey with the world open before you, ripe with challenges and opportunities. Embrace them with the courage and resolve you have shown so far. Reflecting on the theme of today's function, Educate the Girl Child, it's clear that the institution not only imparts knowledge but also insists a robust value system in the education of the students. These values will guide you as you navigate through the complexities of the life. Education is not just a fundamental right, it is the cornerstone of progress and development in any society. However, despite the strides we have made in promoting education for all, there still exists a significant gender gap, especially when it comes to the education of the girls. Educating girls is not just about providing them with knowledge, it is about empowering them to become agents of change in their community and beyond. When we educate a girl, we are not just investing in a future, we are investing in the future of a nation. Girls who receive an education are more likely to lead healthier and more fulfilling lives. They are better equipped to make informed decisions about their health, career, and relationships. Moreover, educated women are more likely to participate in the workspace, thus contributing to the economic growth of their family, society, and nation on large. Furthermore, educating girls have a multiplying effect, as they often reinvest in the knowledge and resource back into their family and communities, breaking the cycle of poverty and ignorance. However, despite the countless benefits of educating girls, we still face numerous challenges, including cultural barriers, economic constraints, and social norms that hinder girls' access to education. As we gather here, let us reaffirm our commitment to breaking down these barriers and ensuring that every girl has access to quality education. Let us work together to create an environment where girls can thrive and fulfill their potentials. Students, I urge you to recognize the importance of education and the role you can play in promoting gender equality. Be advocates for change, challenges, stereotypes, and support your female peers in this educational journey. Let us remember that educating a girl is not just a moral imperative, but it's a strategic investment in the future of your society. Let us join hands and work together, a future where every girl has the opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed. As I look around, I see a vibrant tapestry of potential and promises. It reminds us all of the responsibility we share in nurturing these young individuals into responsible, capable and caring adults. Let us continue to inspire and support them, ensure that they have every opportunity to succeed. In conclusion, I would like to thank you once again for inviting me to share this day with you. I'm deeply honored to be a part of this celebration, and I'm inspired by the commitment exhibited by everyone in Katapaju Public School. And I'm also truly inspired by the past of the schools, the alumni, and in fact today I had a very big discussions with the management, like how to create a network of alumni so that all the alumni can join together and contribute more to the school. So continue to strive for the excellence, seek out new challenges, and remember that education is a lifelong journey. I wish you all the success, happiness, and fulfillment in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. You made us realize the importance of education, girls' education, and girls' empowerment. Our audience must have realized and felt its essence. Also, the theme of the carnival is women empowerment, so thanks, sir. Thanks a lot.